Hey there gorgeous, my name is Carrie, and in case you haven't heard, it is Brow Makeover Month and we are celebrating today by learning how to do natural looking gorgeous brows with the Brow Bar by Reema Pro Definer Pencil. I love a natural brow for a more relaxed day or when I'm wearing a little bit less makeup or if it's super hot outside. The Pro Definer Pencil is incredibly versatile. It can be coupled with any other Brow Bar by Reema brow products, and you can use it at the end of the look to add some extra detail, or you can use it to map out your brows before filling them in with their other product. The Pro Definer Pencil is great for precision brush strokes and creating that hair-like texture, and that's how we get a beautiful natural brow. The Pro Definer Pencil is available in light, medium, and dark shades, and it has a dual end, which means there is a spoolie on one side, and then you have the retractable pencil on the other side. The great thing about the retractable pencil is that if you run out of product and you need more, you just twist, and there will be more available, so you never need a pencil sharpener. To create this gorgeous brow, we are going to use light feather-like strokes. Remember, you can build up the product more after you've completed your brow if you decide you want it to be a little bit darker. The way that we're going to draw the hair-like strokes is in the direction that our brow hair is already growing. At the front end of the brow, the hair is growing upward. So as I create those brush strokes, I'm going to have them go in an upward direction. As you move toward the center of the brow, they start to curve over and outward. And then at the end of your brow, you're starting to angle outward and downward. This Brow Bar by Reema product is perfect for on the go if you want to keep it in your purse or in your car, and then you always have it available for little touch-ups or if you need to fill in a spot on your brow. There's so many things you can do with it and have it ready on the go. Head over to browbarbyreema.com to celebrate Brow Makeover Month with me. See you guys next time.